Here's the 4th generation Honda Step Wagon, the model produced from 2009 to 2015. The car you are about to discover is the second facelift introduced in 2012. Take a closer look to get to know all the key features that make this car a perfect budget option for a large family or a small business. This is the 2013 Step Wagon spec in its almost top grade, the Spada Z Cool Spirit. It is an 8-passenger, large family-friendly minivan that is packed with the comfort features and amenities that all family members desire from a daily commuter and weekend getaway vehicle. Externally appealing, although a little dated, the design fades in a well-mannered way. A minivan with a sporty flair that combines Honda's performance heritage with the luxury and quality intended for the mainstream consumer. Elegant chrome details, large headlights complemented by factory-fitted fog lights provide a solid presence. A low stance combined with extensive glazing and sharp body lines may appeal. Add to that a roomy interior, a proven powertrain, a comfortable suspension, and a host of safety features. With a body length of almost 4.7 meters and a tight turning radius of 5.6 meters for front-wheel drive version, driving is easy. Excellent visibility and driving aids, such as Honda's own side view mirror system for added safety and convenience when parking, are assets that Step Wagon brings to the table. A wheelbase of almost 2.9 meters provides a smooth ride and a spacious cabin with ample legroom for the driver and both second and third row passengers. Handling is precise and sporty as the Honda should be, yet the suspension is comfortably set on the soft side. Braking is provided by discs at the front and rear, with the front ones being ventilated. All trims come with standard ABS-C, vehicle stability assist, and traction control. This is a 2-wheel drive version. If you are in need of extra traction, check out the full-time 4-wheel drive versions that are also commonly stocked at BEFORWARD. Stylistically, you will appreciate the contemporary look of the LED taillights and chrome trim. While an integrated rear spoiler adds a sporty touch. Enormous interior is revealed behind a massive tailgate. You will love the extremely low loading edge and voluminous cargo space. Depending on the seating configuration, the interior has a maximum length of 309 centimeters, width of 150 centimeters, and height of 139 centimeters. Another great feature is the clever way the third and second rows of seats fold down to create a flush floor. Access to the interior is easy and convenient, no matter whether you enter the front doors, which open in a very wide angle, or the rear seats with power-assisted sliding doors. Once you choose the sliding doors, you never want to go back to the conventional ones. The front seats are as comfortable as the rear. The driver's position is good with wide visibility. All the necessary controls and instruments are at your fingertips. Step Wagon comes as standard with a wide range of driver aids, including a very useful cruise control feature. The angular design of the dashboard features practical shelves and multiple compartments. On board, you will find dual-zone, fully automatic climate control as standard, with dedicated air vents for the second and third rows of seats. Even the rear third row passengers will be amazed by the amount of legroom. Thanks to the car's high, boxy silhouette, the space above your head feels so airy and voluminous. You will also appreciate the flat floor and low entrance threshold. All of this is built to the highest Honda quality standards, with materials that age well and are not prone to wear and tear. Similar Honda Step Wagon you can buy at BEFORWARD. The facelift 2012-15 model starts from $1,760 US. Please check current prices on the BEFORWARD website. This is a front-wheel drive trim mated to CVT transmission. The engine is R20, a solid naturally aspirated 4-cylinder. From the displacement of 1,997 cubic centimeters, delivers a peak power output of 150 PS at 6,200 RPM. Maximum torque is 193 Newton meters at 4,200 RPM. Fuel economy is decent for a large 8-person petrol engine minivan. A full 60-liter tank should cover 830 kilometers. On average, the fuel consumption measured in JC8 mode is 13.8 kilometers per liter, which is equivalent to 7.25 liters per 100 kilometers. If you're looking for an affordable, quality car, visit BEFORWARD.JP. We offer a vast selection of vehicles to suit every taste and budget. You can also send your inquiries to top@BEFORWARD.JP